Hello, my mushroom in the forest. This is my first journey I want to share with you guys. It's not perfectly, but I think it works. I've been watching YouTube since many years ago. I've been doing that also very long time ago. But only now I decide to post on YouTube. I don't know how it works. I hope it works good. I'm arriving very late. It was windy, it was dark. I just decide, let's say 5 hours ago, before I leave my house. Just start my car, pack my backpack, go buy some food. To be honest, I not have my destination before I leave my house. I just use ChatGPT, and he's not found me good direction. I was lost somewhere around Tennessee. But finally I was meet with one ranger, and he was asking me, what are you looking for? I say, I'm looking for the big river. And he say, up in the mountains you never found a river. I knew that before, but I hope the road is come down. The finally around 8, I think 8 p.m. I found, I stop, I take my backpack, I take my doggy, and I say, today or never. I hope you enjoy, guys. And I hope this guy always help me, but he's always makes a mess. No matter what, but he wants to play. He's the puppy, 6 months, and yeah, he's never leave me alone. He just want to play, but that's my dog. By the way, I was buying a log, some bacon, and I have some pepper salt from taken from home. And I started cooking because I was hungry, my dog was hungry, everybody was hungry. And before guys you go sleep, you must lift your backpack or let's say the food somewhere up and a little bit far away from your campsite in case some animals come. That's my option. Of course you can do whatever you like, but this is like a one tip.
This one can come. It's complete.
And it start raining again. Like honestly, it was like stop and start raining all the time. Good night, guys. Time to sleep. It's very cold. Now it's
141. And
actually, I'm awake in the morning around 6 a.m. and I see a bunch of snow around my tent. It was freezing. It was around 30 Fahrenheit, maybe a little bit less than that. And I decided to start packing. Have no dry wood to make my coffee, and I just decided on the way back home to stop and buy one. But I love that experience. Maybe next time, not maybe, next time I'm going to be prepare a little bit more and much better than first trip. Like you can see it in my backpack, he's just stuck with ice on the tree. But it was nice journey. I hope guys you enjoy, and I left you with the good music, and see you on next my video.